Hi everyone, we are Group 1. I'm Angel. We are going to introduce today is L'Oréal Paris. We will summarize it in 7 parts and explain it from background information to challenges and suggestions.
Hi, my name is Gustavo and I am going to talk about the background information. First, the history. L'Oréal was founded in 1909 by Eugène Scoler, a French chemist who started the company with an innovation hair dye formula called L'Oréal. From a small laboratory in Paris, L'Oréal has grown exponentially through strategic acquisition and global expansion. Today, L'Oréal operates in over 150 countries, offering a diverse range of beauty products. Next, let's talk about the vision, mission, and values. L'Oréal's vision is to offer all women and men worldwide the best of cosmetic innovation in terms of quality, efficiency, and safety. The mission is to create beauty that moves the world by making beautiful accessible, promoting sustainability growth, and empowering consumers. The value include passion of beauty, continuous innovation, excellence in everything we do, respect of diversity, and a commit to sustainability. Then I talk about the organizational structure. L'Oréal uses a matrix structure that blends geographic regions with global product division. This allows to quickly adapt to local market while keeping a constantly global approach. L'Oréal operates in various regions like West Europe, North America, and Asia Pacific. L'Oréal 4 main products division are consumer products, L'Oréal Luxe, professional products, and activity cosmetic. The company is led by CEO Nicolas Hieronymus, supported by the skills to the team. The consumer product division includes popular brands like L'Oréal Paris, Maybelline New York, Garnier, L'Oréal Deluxe, Offer Luxury, and the activity cosmetic division specialized in dermatology beauty with brands like Rosai and Skin Ceutalix.
Hi, I'm Estela. I will talk about L'Oréal's business model canvas. First, L'Oréal's value proposition lies in its commitment to research and innovative technologies, which allow the company to launch numerous new products. This ensures that everyone can find the most suitable combination of products to create their own beauty. In terms of customer segments, 50% of L'Oréal's revenue comes from the 31 to 40 age group. This includes medium and high-income community, makeup enthusiasts, individuals seeking healthy skin, and clients in need of professional hair salon services. Because they have a diversified product portfolio, they cover a wide range of customer groups. L'Oréal's relationship with its customers is built on a robust membership system. To maintain customer loyalty, the company offers personalized experiences through artificial intelligence and data analysis to recommend the best product combinations. Customers can typically find L'Oréal's products in retail stores, online platforms, and through third-party retailers. On the supply side, L'Oréal's key activities include innovative product development and brand promotion, such as advertising campaigns and celebrity endorsements. The company also focuses on promotion sustainable development. Key resources include patents, advanced research technologies, skilled human resources, and warehouse management systems, all of which are crucial for L'Oréal's growth. To ensure continued development, key partnerships are indispensable. These include advertising agencies, online platforms, material suppliers, and celebrities. Finally, we have to talk about their cost structure and the revenue streams. If you want to have good products, you will inevitably need to invest a lot of money in research and development, and this will also require the skills of professional talents and a large amount of raw materials to be able to try many experiments and make trustworthy products. The main source of revenue stream is product sales. Companies need to formulate effective marketing strategies to increase product visibility and appeal, thereby increasing sales and bringing business opportunities.
This is Angel. In discussing the external environmental analysis, the initial inquiry arises when contemplating L'Oreal, who emerges as its primary competitors. You may have lots of brands in your first mind. Today, we will use Shiseido and Estée Lauder as comparison objects. In the first place, it became evident that both of these three companies share global visibility, high-end positioning, and multi-brand strategies at the same time. To counter new entrants, they leverage patents, build brand loyalty, and utilize substantial capital in order to avoid being replaced by others. Let's take a look at market share analysis. It reveals L'Oreal's dominance in the Americas, Shiseido's strength in Asia, and Estée Lauder focus on Europe. Exclusive product offerings include L'Oreal Salon Division, Estée Lauder's perfume line. Unfortunately, Shiseido lack of notable achievement in this part. Target demography vary, with L'Oreal targeting 31 to 40 years old, Shiseido's growing older, and Estée Lauder appealing to the broader age range. L'Oreal's strategy involves acquisition to enhance its brand portfolio with 36 brands acquired as well as profit. Estée Lauder emerges as the main competitor, prompting the need to capitalize on advantages. Strategies include technological research and development, multiculturalism, and digital marketing for localized operations.
I am Sophie. I want to introduce L'Oreal's internal assessments, and I will focus on these three parts. First, it's the tangible resources, the beauty technology. They apply AI and AR technique to various fields, creating Makeup Genius and My Hair ID, these two apps. Also, they focus on biotechnology. L'Oreal and Verily can help researchers better understand the biological, clinical, and environmental factors which contribute to skin and their hair health over time. And green chemistry symbolize that their ingredients are sustainable, and all of it are natural, renewable materials. Next, intangible resources, and I will focus on relational capital. They will cooperate with the company which have common ideas with L'Oreal, such as these organizations, advocating the empower communities and gender-based violence. And next is L'Oreal's key activities. First is the inbound logistics, such as raw material sourcing, and next is research and development departments to operate it. Outbound logistics, L'Oreal will cooperate with retail partnerships. Next will put it on market, so the advertising campaign is very important. And the last one is service, and that will offer some of after-sales service. And next is dynamic capabilities, and I will give an example on Unveil's new product Airlight Pro. And there are over 100 engineers, designers, hairdressers, and scientists from L'Oreal's Research and Innovation Division and Zuvi. And they include these dynamic capabilities, such as innovation, research and development, partnership, knowledge articulation, and research integration.
I'm Jay. Now let's talk about growth and corporate scope. L'Oreal has chosen a unique strategy, universalization. It means globalization that capture, understand, and respect differences, building portfolio to meet diverse consumer demand. L'Oreal achieved vertical integration through acquisitions, with this brand They have created 4 divisions, each of which have specific portfolio. In this way, product diversification can be realized, including Lancome, CeraVe, Aesop. Their 4 divisions enable L'Oreal to cover all the aspects of beauty. As shown on the screen, this is L'Oreal's brand acquisition history. L'Oreal have developed a worldwide network of research, innovation, and marketing centers, one of each for strategic markets. To complement their work in development, L'Oreal also has a global industrial presence, so that this innovation can be brought to market quickly and efficiently. Starting from Europe, L'Oreal has now expanded its operation to the world, including the United States, Japan, Brazil, China, India, and South Africa. This will help them better understand the market and provide products and services that meet consumer demand. Furthermore, it can also expand corporate scope.
I am Joe. Let's continue to talk about L'Oreal's financial performance. From 2021 to 2023, total revenue has shown continuous growth. The cost has also increased along with the total revenue. In 2023, total revenue grows by 7%, but the cost only increased by 1%, indicating that L'Oreal might have made significant improvements in cost control, which consequently brought in more gross profit. L'Oreal's operating expense accounted for about 55% of total revenue, resulting in operation income being approximately 20% of total revenue. This chart shows the proportion of L'Oreal's expense relative to total revenue. We can see that expenses are mainly focused on marketing, which account for approximately 32%. Next are administrative expenses, accounting for around 19%, due to L'Oreal have more than 90,000 committee employees. Finally, research and development expenses account for 3% of total revenue, as L'Oreal employs over 4,000 scientists and 6,400 digital talent.
I'm Una. Let's talk about the challenges and suggestions of L'Oreal. As a global leader in the beauty industry, L'Oreal is committed to sustainability and innovation. With increasing environmental concerns, one critical challenge is the need to reduce impact on the environment, including climate impact, water usage, biodiversity preservation, and resource management. In response to the challenge, L'Oreal can reduce its carbon footprint and dependence on fossil fuels while the transition to 100% renewable energy for its operated sites. Additionally, L'Oreal can minimize water waste and promoting conservation efforts by ensuring that 100% of the water used in its industrial processes is recycled or reused, and utilizing plastic from recycled or bio-based sources, thereby reducing its reliance on virgin plastic and contributing to a circular economy. Furthermore, the beauty industry is undergoing a digital revolution with e-commerce and social media shaping consumer behavior. To stay ahead of the competition, L'Oreal needs to continuously adapt its digital strategy to engage customers effectively. Also, it can utilize consumer feedback and market research to drive innovation that meets evolving consumer needs.